We will guide you through how to archive old projects in 𝗓𝗏.io. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, find the Google Chrome shortcut on your computer and right-click it. From the menu that appears, click Open to launch the browser. When Chrome opens, click the address bar at the top of the window and type 𝗓𝗏.io. Press Enter on your keyboard to continue. On the search results screen, select the top option labeled 𝗓𝗏.io. The 𝗓𝗏.io page will then appear on your screen. Before you can use the platform, sign in with your account. If you do not have an account yet, choose the sign up option and create one so you can access 𝗓𝗏.io. After signing in or completing the sign up process, you will be directed to the 𝗓𝗏.io homepage. First, create a project folder on this page by clicking New Project, then create your folder as needed. Next, make sure you have the video for the project that you want to archive prepared and ready on your computer. On 𝗓𝗏.io, tap the Upload button to begin adding the video. Browse through your computer storage until you locate the prepared video file. Once you find it, double-click the file to upload it to 𝗓𝗏.io. Wait patiently while the video finishes processing, because the file needs to be completely processed before you continue. After the video has finished processing, go back to the homepage. Find the project that you want to archive, then right-click on it to display the available options. From the options that appear, select Mark Inactive. 𝗓𝗏.io will then save the project as an inactive project, allowing it to remain available without staying active. This method helps keep your workspace organized, reduces clutter on the homepage, and manage completed projects while keeping their uploaded video files safely. And now you have learned how to archive old projects in 𝗓𝗏.io.